what is going on. As we said before, we don't have the force sensor, so we cannot do associate manipulation. And also now we have a better awards.
Welcome to IRI Restaurant. Tonight, from the Humans menu, we can offer you two of the most exquisite dishes we have. You can choose between apple or yogurt. What is your preference?
So we had the voice recognition also working, but not in this demo, so I have to tell him by command which one we are going to choose, and we are going to choose yogurt. And I believe it is this one, so the robot goes for the yogurt. Also, we had problems with finding the plate in descent, so I will probably have to put it in the manipulation tool. And I think that I put a lot of yogurt. I don't know if it's going to hold it. Oh. Sorry. A little bit of hacking. Just let me, because this is the first time that we pick up the plate with some food in it. You know, hackathons, they have this. These problems. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Oh, he's gonna release it, so that's safe. Can I have another plate? No. We put some masa. Let's just simulate that.
Okay, we changed the plate just to avoid the additional weight. There was a bit too much yogurt on the plate.
Sorry, thank you.
So the robot now provides the food to the customer. Now without food, but so as we said, in our lab everything works more perfectly because we don't have to deal with the navigation. The navigation increases the error of locating things. How is it?
How does it know where the table is?
So we know right now it knows because it knows where have to go. Where's the table verified?
Pre-programmed.
Yeah, pre-programmed. Now he's going to look for, so since it is a yogurt, he's going to go for a spoon. And we also have a little program that the gripper doesn't open and the spoon gets stuck. This is. So also, yeah, as you said, the table is pre-programmed. Also the location of the plate right now is pre-programmed, although we can do it by vision, but it takes too long for one day to prepare everything. We wanted to do it with tags, with hair tags, but we had problems. Yeah, and now the robot asks for permission to feed the user, and that's what I'm going to do. And then the first action is to grasp food. Now it's just air. And then it keeps the user, looking the user with the camera, so we have a camera that controls the user. When the user decides that he wants to get fed, let's see, yeah. So now it detects that the user is there, and now it... And then when it opens the mouth, the robot is when it starts the action of feeding. For those that are in that situation, you can see here in the camera that it opens the mouth and it detects it. And the robot asks if you want more food. If it wants more food. We said we were going to say no. So if not, it's going to take here forever. That's no. And just.
Dear customer, thank you very much for coming. It will be a pleasure to see you again. Please come back.
And the robot will clean up the table, not the mess.
Okay. Let's clean the table.
And that's it. Now he's going to release it in the shelf in the next table, and that will be it. So if you have any questions about anything. He's a good boy.
Have detected the mask on.
Thank you for the demo. One question.
Yes.
The position of the person, was it also hard coded? Because you had to move a little bit.
So yeah, everything
Yeah.
is in that sense. Everything.
Right.
Just what it is not hard coded in this scenario is all the detection of the mouth and time
Okay.
feeding or not.
Right.
Also, we wanted to show the teaching method. So the science behind giving food is what we show in the video, but it's by teaching by demonstration that we learn the trajectories that the robot can afterwards generalize. So depending on where the blade is, you can move the robot automatically. If it detects by vision the blade
Right.
where it is, it automatically does.
Right. Just you couldn't do the learning by demonstration because you basically don't have this teaching mode or the
Yeah,
complying
yeah,
mode. Okay, and no force drop sensor.
It also takes a lot of time teaching
Of
by
course.
demonstration.
Yeah. Okay, so if we would.